What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Man, first of all, new bang flavor. If y'all are definitely gonna wonder, I know there's a lot of you out there who do wonder. First of all, I ordered this online. It's not supposed to hit stores till end of October or something like that, but you can order it on their website and it'll get shipped to you. It literally tastes like a Coke or a Pepsi. It just tastes like pop, which kind of throws me off, thinking it's supposed to be like a healthy, like workout kind of creatine, amino acid like drink. Tasting like pop, but it does taste good. Next thing, definitely sick. I'm getting under the weather here. It's either that time of the year or this whole SEMA thing's just stressing me out. Quite possible. Between trying to book a hotel, flights, shipping for my truck, everything is just, my mind is just turning. And then you're seeing the prices for these things. You're like, holy crap. So I know a lot of you are like always message me in the comment. So now, I can't even talk. I'm so like mentally just like, ugh. So I know a lot of you always wonder how much money is in the truck. Once it's done, the bumper should be here soon. Honestly, Road Armor should be shipping them. But once the truck is done, I'll add up all the money, including the whole like cost of the trip and all the other SEMA stuff. And I'll tell you what, like I'll put a cost on it and let you guys know how much it actually costs. Is it worth building a SEMA truck and all of that? And with the whole cost thing, this is why I have a box of powder coating right here. Between everything going on and me trying to find a reliable powder coating shop near, I don't want to ship something. I know a lot of people help me out. They're like, my guy in Tennessee, my guy in Wisconsin, my guy in North Dakota. Everyone had awesome powder coaters around them. Here, definitely not. I can't find, I just Google like powder coaters near me and I can't find a reliable, like nice looking quality website that is inviting me into their business. So pretty much what I did was order powder from Prismatic Powders. This looks like a bag of drugs. There's not really any explaining this one. This literally looks like, yeah. This one, not so much. So I've never ordered powder coating before, and I've never powder coated before. So this is gonna be a learning experience, not only with me, but also for you guys. I know there's a lot of people who I've posted on my Instagram story about ordering the powder itself. And so many people are like, oh my gosh, like, you're awesome, you're crazy for taking that on, stuff like that. Like, good for you, I wanna learn, I wanna know how that turns out, stuff like that. There's a lot of people I have excited. And to be honest, I'm excited too. That's kind of one of my things in life is like, when you can't find a reliable person to do it, you can always rely on yourself. So I ordered the powder. What we have here is 5 pounds of Illusion Purple. And what we have here is 5 pounds of Clear Vision. So the way Illusion Purple works is a 2-stage powder. You shoot Illusion Purple itself, but to get the look like you have on my truck, you top coat it with Clear Vision. Now that gives it that candy kind of purple look without actually shooting a candy powder, which does bring the cost down, and to me that Illusion Purple is beautiful. So with those two powders combined, you get this beautiful Illusion Purple color. Although dirty, you guys can still see how awesome this color looks. Now I can't just go and throw powder on the parts I need done. I need a couple other things to make that magic happen. First things first is I need a powder coating machine. That is coming. I ordered that from Eastwood. I ordered the dual voltage machine. It was like 130 bucks, I think. And then I also need an oven. So if you guys have been following my channel for a while, my buddy Mike, if you every time he's in a video, you guys love him. He is redoing an apartment or condo and he's getting rid of an oven. So I'm gonna go pick that up from him in a little bit. I'm gonna be taking whatever parts I need sandblasted down to Columbus tomorrow. And then Ben, Mojito, Ohio, remember the green Jeep? He's gonna be media or sandblasting the parts I need done. And then it will then bring those parts back up here so I can powder coat them here at home. So when I got these coilovers and I saw the coils were silver and I was thinking, oh, should I do them purple? Getting a quote for 4 coils, which I'm happy I didn't because it matches the Fox shocks and it matches the drive shafts now and the kind of the inlay of the wheel, so I'm happy I didn't. But for the 4 coils, it was like $400, and every shop was between 1 and 3 weeks out. So between the time and $400, I've already saved a bunch of money by buying extra powder, so I definitely will not use both. I would definitely will not use 5 pounds of powder for what I'm shooting. Just say I'll use maybe 50 bucks in powder. $130 machine, and just say I spend 50 to 75 bucks on the oven. You know, I'm under 300 bucks, so just say I shoot about $50 in powder. I buy a $50 oven. You can find them all day on Facebook, Craigslist, stuff like that, or buddies who are getting rid of ovens at apartments. Just say spend 50 bucks on the oven, 50 bucks on the powder, and 130 on the machine. I'm at $230. 4 coils was going to cost me, so I've already saved a bunch of money. And from here on out, all I have to do is order new powder for whatever I really need done. So it's definitely a good learning experience for not only me, but you guys. And I'm saving a bunch of money doing it myself. But in the meantime, while we're waiting for Mike to get ready so we can go pick up that oven, I got some tint action for you, and it's not what you think. So somewhere along the line, I lost my other tube for the inside of my sprayer, so this is literally a drinking straw, but it works, so I'm gonna roll with it. Dish soap worked just well enough last time, so we'll use that again. So I ordered this 35% ceramic film off Amazon, because again, I'm cheap. But a lot of you are probably wondering, you're in the house right now, and the answer is yes. So this room gets so hot. And if you can't tell what's already going on, this moon window up here lets so much sunlight in. I know it's becoming fall and all that, but it gets so hot in here, something needs to be done. And tinting it is probably the only thing I've got, unless I bought the moon curtain or whatever, I don't know. So we're gonna tint this real quick. Perfect. So, not the best. Definitely there, you can see there's a few light gaps on the side. Not 100% worried about it. Kind of worried about it, but not really. I'll see how bad the light gaps are in the morning. May have to redo it. I don't know. But, for now, that's exactly what the purpose was. Get that dark so it doesn't get so hot in here. Oh, wow. That's something I should do, too, is definitely cut those headlights down. Man, those are way too high. Definitely gonna have to adjust those soon. I am a freaking mess. Come on. Thank you. Oh man. So the first time at night with these headlights, this should be interesting. So I can say with the 50% tint on the windshield, the new Morimoto lights are quite bright actually, and to be honest, they're angled all right. They're not too tall and they're not too low. Definitely will be probably blinding a few people, and I will definitely get flashed, but we'll see. We'll see how many times I get flashed, and we'll make adjustments from there. Alright, this is clearly why. This is clearly why I need a 12-foot door in a huge garage. Oh my goodness, that is so close. No, for all you wondering where Mike's at, he's been busy doing real-life big guy things. But we're over here. Here's the, he just picked up this one-bedroom apartment, but here is our oven, which is honestly will work perfectly for this, a little powder coating situation we got going on. So we're gonna get this thing out of here now. It should do just fine. There's a lot of room in there. Ooh. Isn't it? I don't know how they got this in here. Were they lifted in there? What? This is gonna be interesting.
Can I take the door off?
We might have to.
No, really, we might have to.
No, that should work like that. Should slide.
I don't know, dude.
Oh yeah, no, that'll work. This is. You just take this up. Oh, hello. Oh, this should be interesting, actually. I don't know how I'm gonna get this downstairs, but this do the job. The SEMA parts. Well, why don't we use a supplied ratchet strap too?
This the homemade special. That's the redneck special, and it doesn't. And the other one don't work.
Yeah, really. Oh my god.
Do I have to get a permit for this?
Shit. I'll go down first so it falls on me.
I'm not at the bottom.
I don't trust this.
Why how there goes? It's not under all. Oh fuck. Here, that's fine. Let me need it back more.
We should measure every doorway when you buy a new one. Oh yeah. There we go, boys. Our powder coating oven is home. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. We have our powder coating oven picked up, ready to go. It should do the job just fine. It should even fit our train horn rack and everything we really need. I want to do a huge shout out to Mike for helping us out with that, letting us get this oven off his hands. It's definitely gonna be put to good use. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. We will be media blasting, sandblasting, and getting all the parts ready for powder coating. And then after that, we should start shooting because I'm excited. So I will see you guys in the next video.